Minnie.
Yes, we are back again. That's Minnie and Vatsala here with one more round of panel discussion, guys. And today we have one interesting topic that's nothing but the surface finishes.
I just want to know what are the types of materials we use on the furnitures for the finish, the final finish and the touch.
Final finishes. Yes.
Yeah.
Most this was the most asked question from most of our beloved customers. And to be very frank, guys, there are not much of the elements which we generally use for the surface finishes, but each element has got its own variety of finishes. For example, laminate, veneer, duco, membrane, and on top of the veneer we get this matte finish, melamine finish, and also we have lacquered finishes. And if at all, if you are going with the membrane finishes, on membrane finishes you can get this rubber wood finish, other sorts of finishes as well.
Okay, so what is the difference between a laminate and a veneer?
So laminate is basically a material which is made up of paper, and it has got surfaces with different finishes. For example, you get SF finish laminates, matte finish laminate, and also you get high glossy finish, super high gloss finish. The only advantage of this laminate finishes, you can use any kind of material to clean the laminate, or you can use cologne and spray and all these materials to finish. And the thickness of the laminate varies from around 0.8 mm and up till 2 mm also.
Okay, so how about the appearance, which looks more attractive or?
See, when it comes to laminate, it is first thing is it's very easy to maintain, and look wise, yes, laminates are more or less gives the same look like a veneer. However, veneer is a natural wood. It's a layer of wood which is around 4 mm thick in the thickness, and veneers are generally used on top of the plywood surfaces. But on top of, since veneer is a natural form of a wood, as I told you, it needs lot and lots of rounds of polishing. The higher the rounds of polishing you do on the surface of veneer, the better it looks. Okay. And the maintenance wise, veneer needs polishing every at least once in a year, whereas laminate doesn't require polishing.
So how do we install different materials on the furniture, and what is the time taken for different materials?
See, to get any product to with the laminate finish manufactured, I think the time duration is less than a month's time. And in terms of production and execution depends on the human resources and the amount of HR they have at the site, and also the kind of design element they have actually done. And whereas veneer finishing is definitely, you need to keep a buffer of 3 to 3.5 months. If at all, if you're doing entire house with a veneer finish, what happens with the veneer finishing is a lot of manual work is involved, because they need to literally rub the surfaces, and that is how the time consumption. Okay. And whereas this membrane duco and all is concerned, membrane is again a machine made. It is pressed and made at factory. Whereas duco is one thing, again it is spraying. It can be either sprayed in the factory and then installation can happen at the site. But if you want pick and span finishing to happen at the site, then the spraying should happen at the site. Okay. It's just like a car spray,
Yeah. Okay. So cost wise, which is more economical, which is expensive?
See, cost wise, economical one is, yes, definitely the laminate, because it's at least 30% lesser than the veneer. And whereas veneer also, veneer square foot prices start somewhere around 120 rupees, and veneer goes up till 300 400 rupees a square foot, just veneer itself by itself. And it depends whether you're going for the natural veneer or recon, or what type of veneer you're going.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that was so much of information. I hope you guys love this, and thank you so much, Vatsala, for joining us today. And I'm sure you guys love this video, and please click on the like button and do share it with your friends. And if you have any queries regarding your interiors, please put that in the comment box below, so that we can get back to you with the exact information required for you. And then please do subscribe our channel until we come up with a new topic. Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.